So in order to remove your glove box, there's going to be 5 T20 Torx screws. There's going to be one in here, there's going to be one here, and there's going to be one here. There is also going to be another 2 up underneath here, which I'm going to show you guys how to get to in a minute. But for now, you guys are going to need to take a flathead screwdriver right here, like so. You guys are need to come in here, kind of want to start from the bottom out here, feel your way in here, and kind of slowly work your way up to the top. Like so, with your screwdriver. You get up here, and this little plastic panel is going to pop off like this. Just like that. So you're going to take your little plastic panel out here, and you want to set it over to the side, along with your screwdriver. Next, you guys are going to want to grab your T20 Torx bit. For this one, I am using a T20 Torx bit in a screwdriver. And the screw, as you guys can see, is going to be right down here. You guys are going to need to unscrew this one. And this is going to be the first of 5 screws. So as you can see, you get this one out. It's pretty long, so we're going to stick this in the little cup holder that the door is open. Next, you guys are going to need to open your glove box in order to access these 2 screws. And I actually opted to get a 1/4-inch socket for this one because I also have a T20 Torx bit for this. It'll be easier to get at the installation here. Or the removal, I should say, sorry. So the 2 screws are going to be located right here and then right there. So if you just take your T20 Torx bit in here, you get it in there like that. It should come out nice and easy here. And you're going to have to do this for both sides. You guys have removed both those screws, the one being right there and the other one being right there. You're then going to want to close your glove box. Come down here, there's going to be a little felt pad protecting your fuse box. I'm actually missing one of the tabs, but all you're going to want to do on this one, pretty simple to remove it. You're going to take your fingers and you're going to pinch the edges out like this. So if it's on the stud here, on that plastic stud, you're just going to pinch it and it's going to pull out. So I'm going to set this up there for now. Next thing you're going to do is grab your pad like so, if it'll focus. If so, and it's just going to pull out like that. It's just a little like felt cover. So now you have access to your fuse box down here. But in order to remove your glove box, there are 2 more screws in arguably the worst spot in this car. You are going to need to lay on your back in order to get at these screws. I have not found an easier way to get them, but this is what you're gonna have to do. There is a screw right there. So there's your first screw right there. So as you can see, if I back up a little bit, I'm laying and I'm looking right from this would be the right stud if I'm sitting in the passenger seat. Right, that screw right there. That's the first one. And then if you guys come all the way over here, there's the second screw, which is right there, which is right next to these wires. So those are the 2 screws that you guys are going to need to remove in order to be able to remove your glove box. So once you guys have removed your 2 screws that are underneath there, the next thing you guys are going to want to do is pull out your glove box. And don't be afraid, your glove box is not going to fall out. There are actually plastic tabs holding it in. So next thing you guys are going to want to do is you're going to want to come in here and basically just pull right here. So you're going to want, so this is like the first tab that's kind of holding it in. You may have to open your glove box a little bit to kind of like come in here and pull it. Don't pull the door too hard or else it is going to break. But if you guys come in here and kind of get your hand underneath here, and just kind of pull straight back, it should pull out like so, like so. So you guys kind of have to bend the front down and then pull it out to get it out. So that is going to be it for your glove box removal tutorial. It was pretty simple to remove the glove box. I don't know what you guys have to do down in here that you need to remove it, but best of luck with that, and thank you for watching.